Welcome to the Vindolanda blog. My name is Dr. Andrew Birley. I'm the Director of the Excavations for the Vindolanda Trust. And what we're going to be doing over the next 4 or 5 years is excavating a very large part of the last stone fort built on the site by the 4th cohort of Gauls here at Vindolanda in about 213 and occupied right to the end of Roman Britain and beyond. At the moment you're looking at the central range of the fort, the Praetorium, the commanding officer's house and the headquarters building in the background, but as I pan around to the left here you can see a big patch of grass covering the southern eastern quadrant of the last stone fort at the site. And this is area A1 on the current plan of excavation. Starting on the 1st of April next year, this grass is going to start rolling back and we're going to see what sort of exciting buildings we can find underneath.